G'day YouTube, welcome back to another video of mine. I thought I'd take you through some of my development trees though today. So rather than do a garden update on my actual bonsai trees in bonsai, in bonsai pots, I'll show you a quick update on some of the trees you would have seen in previous videos regarding development. So here's a little black pine. Oops, hang on. Oops, where is he? You would have seen this video, this tree a while ago. That's a bending and twisting of a black pine. You've seen that video a few times. Previously I've done it. So you can see it's starting, it still has the bends in it, still has the twists in it. Just look at the nice big candles. It's growing nicely and healthily. Nothing to report other than it's just staying in its twisted form, waiting for the big explosion of growth coming up in spring in the warmer months. So yeah, nice bends in there. See that? Nice coiled around. Looks pretty good. So it should be a good tree in the future. Let's put him back. You've seen some of these guys that I've done before, all nice and healthy. They're just old needles, that's not a big problem. Nice, the coiled black pines that I've still got. Coiled black pines there as well. So you can see the little black pines are doing alright, still healthy, still alive. So let's move on to some other trees. Alright, so we get to our little shimpakus, or big shimpakus. So you've seen this guy. This guy's the bigger one with all the air layers. I would have shown you some air layers updates. The air layers, that's still healthy. You've seen this. You'll see this tree either soon or coming soon. It's another little demo I did. So you'll see this tree and update on this one. So he's healthy. You've seen me do some bending and twisting on some of these trees, so I know that bit's dead there, but that's cool because that would be a nice bit of shari work. But look, the twisted up, all the twisted area looks really healthy and strong. It's going to be a nice little tree again. We'll look at that, doing something more on that when it thickens up a little bit more. So that's that one. What else have I got? Yeah, some more twisted ones. Some more twisted. I think I did a little one on this one too. I did a video on this one as well, so that's nice and healthy. It's hard to go back and find which videos you did, but you can see the same technique, all nice and twisted up. Let me show you. I did want to show you, where is that air layer? I did an air layer I took an air layer off not long ago. Let me just find it I think here it is in here. Here it is. So this was that large air layer I took off, and there was comments about why didn't I reduce the foliage. I haven't touched the foliage, haven't reduced it. It's just an air layer that I took off and put in a pot, and now you can see the tips. See those tips, all nice and growing healthy. Look at the tips there, growing nice and healthy. So that's why I don't touch the foliage. I like to let it grow. Just put it straight in some soil. And don't touch the foliage, because that's like your solar panels. That's how I think of it. Solar panels to feed the roots. So that's why I don't touch the foliage after I do the air layer. Take the air layer off. So that's going really well and nice and healthy. I'll put him back. Some more twisted up. This is a nice little funky fat one down here. So maybe in a few months' time, 6 months' time, I'll have a look at it, see if it's ready for a styling. You can see all that work. Still healthy trees, all nice and healthy. Lots of little guys. There's another one in there. So I love my shimpakus, and you can see them all twisted up. These are all like little cuttings that I showed you of. They're still all healthy and strong. So looking good, guys. So you've seen black pines and shimpakus pretty much, and the rest are tridents, more seedlings. Nothing much there. Yeah, to report. My bigger trees, this is like the slightly bigger ones. You've seen those project trees that are developing. The LAs are still taking. I haven't taken yet, still early, but nice and healthy trees as well. So let me see what else I can show you in development. And let's finish off maybe on this guy. You've seen this guy, it's coming along really well. Look at all the healthy foliage. You see my shadow in the background. Nice and healthy and strong. That's a large shimpaku that I twisted up, then put some bends in the top of it so I can air lay in the future. But yeah, nice and healthy trees. Quick little walkthrough just of things in development. I might show you some of these. I dug up some of these maples that I was been growing Now they haven't budded out just yet, but they're grouped together in clumps. But you can just see, I'll come in and show you some of these buds. Oops, a bit blurry, but you can just see the little red tips. See how they, I had to show you, I'll just try and show you, point it out. See that? See, they're starting to bud everywhere. Nice and healthy. These would be really funky little trees, seedlings that I've been growing, and then groups them together. So they're now the little project trees that look nice and healthy and strong. Alright guys, I think that's enough. The rest are just pretty much seedlings. There's a whole tray of seedlings of trident maples. Pretty easy. More trident maples from last year these are. So lots of stuff going on. Great time to be in the garden. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that little quick walkthrough of my development trees, and see how they're going. Thanks for watching, and hope you subscribe and so you can get updates of new videos. Thanks, bye.